Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I need to tackle this right here. I need to clean my fridge and do a little organizing. It's a bit of a mess right now, and as you can see, yeah, that's what I'm working with. It's been a little while. I do want to go ahead and clean this out because I want to film the next video. I want it to be a grocery haul and a little restock. There's my snack drawer. Other than these right here, it's really kind of empty because my husband just got these a couple days ago at the store. And then this is my deep freezer. And what I really want to do in here is I need to just reorganize this. This is crazy. This is really crazy right now. I have just fruit mixed with the vegetables, and it's just crazy and chaos. And you know, it starts out good, and I don't know what happens. So I need to get this back on track. I'm gonna use some bins. I want to do some bins in here. And yeah, like that ice cube tray, right there, that's not supposed to be there. My son makes smoothies, like he's just been getting into smoothies, and looks like he just threw it in the bottom. Nice. Okay, so yeah, guys, so first, do want to show you, let me close this up. Oh yeah, and look at the Chick-fil-A sauce. Look at this. When you have kids, this is what happens, okay? So that's nice. Need to get that cleaned up. And before I do that, you know you cannot work in a crazy space. Oh yeah, let's look at this. Something sticky right there on the handle. Okay. And then my whole fridge needs to be cleaned, obviously, on the outside. But before I can do that, guys, I need to go ahead and take care of these dishes, because we all know we can't get into cleaning when it's a mess first. So I need to get these taken care of so I can get in there and start washing out the bins and everything. So yeah, let's get started, guys.
No need to give it up, just need to let it go. And if it's so obvious, just let it show. Come on, don't let me down. I'm right here for you. Keep looking up, don't you frown. There's so much more to do.
Okay guys, so I have finished the dishwasher, loaded it up, and I already cleaned the sink out, so I'm ready to go ahead and start on the refrigerator. All right guys, let's get started.
No need to give it up, just need to let it go. And if it's so obvious, just let it show. Come on, don't let me down. I'm right here for you. Keep looking up, don't you frown. There's so much more to do. From day to night, you're on my mind. I don't need nowhere else to be. The fire and ice are side by side. There's nowhere else that I should be. There's nowhere else that I should be. There's nowhere else that I should be. Come on, don't let me down. I'm right here for you. Keep looking up, don't you frown. There's so much more to do. From day to night, you're on my mind.
Okay guys, for the rest of this, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this stuff out. I'm gonna leave this in here because the other two were the most dirty. And I'm going to go ahead and clean this out and then I'll put everything back in. I'll do the two drawers last. Hey guys, this is the leftover spaghetti. I actually have a video that I made on my shorts. It's a short video. Go check it out. I don't know why we have 3 bacons, but I think because my husband went to the store and they must have had a sale buy 3. Yeah, we eat a lot of eggs around here. Okay, let's try this. Spray it down in here. Not gonna do too much, just a little. Okay guys, I have everything. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put all this stuff back. Okay guys, I don't know how this milk cap ended up under here. But let me go ahead and clean this part out. That looks like milk crud. Oh, there's a pea. Okay guys, this is at the bottom of my produce drawer. Go ahead and clean this out. I finished cleaning the inside of the refrigerator, and the next part I'm going to do is the snack drawer and the freezer, and then I will do the outside last. I make chili and I freeze it. So when I want a quick meal, I just take it out and put it over rice and it's done. I'll probably be making a video on that really soon. Got some blueberry stains right here. Let's go ahead and get that up. There's a piece of ice down in there that's stuck, so I'm going to use my little butter knife and get that up. Okay, I'm going to work this little area right here. It's a little nook, and after that I'm going to do the main freezer part. I'm going to wash all these ice packs. Man, guys, it's amazing what a little soap and water can do. all clean. Put it back in there. Actually guys, I'm gonna wait on this basket. I have to pull everything out and then I wanna scrub all the nooks and crannies. Okay guys, I'm actually gonna use these bins from the Dollar Tree and I labeled with a chalk label. I'm gonna do a video on this with my pantry. For now, I'm gonna put these in the freezer. I'm gonna put fruit in one and probably vegetables in the other. Or maybe fruit in one and extra stuff that doesn't really have anywhere to go. All the little stuff, I'm gonna put it in another bin. Does anyone else have this problem where stuff just gets piled up in these freezers and then you don't even know what's in there? I'm literally trying to figure out a solution to this. And if you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you guys haven't tried this Members Mark Argentine red shrimp, these are really good, guys. Yeah, I haven't been down in here for a while, so I'm gonna have to do a little scrub in here. I think I'm gonna get the Dawn for this one. Oh yeah, guys, there's a lot of ice down here for some reason. Okay guys, now I want to put the basket back in because I got all behind here that was dirty too. I think I want to do fruit in this bin, and then over here will just be extra stuff that I'm just not quite sure. I'm gonna throw the avocados in there too because I like to put these in smoothies. Because I couldn't see what was in there, I have another bag of avocados. If you guys hear any craziness, that's my cat running around. She's over there and she's in a hyper mood right now. Okay, I have another bag of strawberries in my deep freezer, but for now, this is gonna be it for this bin. I'm gonna put these. These are just frozen basil and ginger. When you want one, you just take it right out of the package. I'm gonna put these in the little drawer that's in the front. Along with my daughter's frozen yogurt, I'm gonna stick these right in the front for her. I'm gonna go ahead and put these ice packs back in. These are for my kids' lunches. I'm gonna go ahead and do my vegetables right here, and whatever meats that I have, I'm gonna put over here. Now, I do have a deep freezer, and that's where I keep most of my meats, but anything that I have that I want to eat soon, I put in here. That's it, guys. I am done. Right here is my fruit, my extra stuff, my ice cube trays over there. Now everything is nicely organized in the bins, and then I have my really small stuff in the front pocket. And then down here, I have my vegetables and all my meats. So let's go ahead and clean the outside and wrap this up. Okay guys, that's a wrap. I have officially cleaned the whole refrigerator inside and out, and it looks amazing. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my spaghetti video. It's a shorts video, and I'll go ahead and link it right here for you. And make sure you check out my next video. I'm gonna be doing a grocery haul and a restock. So thanks guys.